How can I compare some lists in Python and add them into a data frame? I have 4 lists, contain different numbers, as shown below. Regarding the lists, there are overlaps between the lists. I'm going to make a data frame, which shows a set of all numbers and the name of lists that they belong to. Like this. For comparing the lists, I use a function here. But I don't know how I can make the data frame correctly.
Create dictionary by columns for new columns names first, then create dicts with trues in values and create data frame, last replace nans to falses.
Data.
Create the dict, the explode, and crosstab.
Słodko, gdzie pisząc dalej,